They chose you. But there is no hormone in it. A healer. A woman who spends days crushing leaves and whispering prayers. You think that makes you worthy? I didn't ask to be chosen. Neither did I. But I prepared for it. You just existed. I have walked with spirit since I was a child. I can feel the earth's anger, the sky's hunger. When I speak, stones listen. What did you have, Adani? A soft hand and a gentle voice. What I have is something you will not understand. Something I will never understand. What's that? Peace. Over. One of us will stand before the gods. And it won't be you. The gods does not show the loudest voice, Adama. Rather the clearest one. We will see.
No, you sent for me.
You actually came at the right time. Greetings, Sia. You are welcome.
Greetings, no.
It's now 3 nights that the old priestess died.
I know.
And the gods have not spoken.
I know that too.
If you know all this, then why do you stand like a leaf that cannot be shaken by any wind? Don't you have anything to tell us?
Oh no. I am like this because what I want to say, you wouldn't want to hear it.
The ears are made for words. Speak it anyway.
Oh no. The gods has chosen to.
What? 2 candidates? From the rundown of our village histories has never happened. Why now?
And yet, it has happened.
Hey. Who are they?
Adane, Egodi's daughter.
Yeah, she's a good choice. She's a healer. Very gentle. And her words barely goes out as a whisper. That's a good one. The next person?
Adama, Maduka's daughter.
No, I disagree. I will never approve of this. I disagree.
Oh no, the gods have spoken.
Sia, are you really seeing things clearly? The girl in question is like a storm that has exceeded its limit. Somebody who has already been frightening her father. You and I know she is not good in this position. You know what she can do.
Oh no, I have seen and also heard about it.
I'm disturbed. Seriously. Because you equally know that this situation will tear this village apart.
Oh no, perhaps that is the point.
How do you mean? come, wait. The point. Sia, please, please, please. Now speak to me as a human. Speak to me as a woman. What did the gods really want from us?
Oh no, I do not know what the gods want. What I know is this. Whatever the gods wants, they want it so badly that they are even ready to break every rules that we ever know. No, I beg to take my leave.
Thank you. Thank you for your visit. What is happening? No, something is fishy. Is it the gods that are really speaking? Or the seer is making things up? I don't really understand. Anyway, if it's the seer making things up, let her be questioned by the gods. After I'm just mortal. What's my business with the gods? Whatever she wants. Can't question the gods.
Danny doesn't know about this yet, right?
She'll soon know enough.
Nee, this is wrong.
Wrong doesn't matter. The gods have spoken.
Nee, why her? Why Adani? Adani doesn't deserve such power. She just needs to be left alone with her herbs and her patients.
My son, the gods don't ask what we want.
Then Adama, you know what she is. You know what she's capable of.
I know.
Then you know Adani won't survive this.
My son. My son. You don't know what your sister is capable of. She can do more than you think.
You are afraid of me.
I am afraid for you.
There is a difference.
Yes.
The gods chose me.
No. The God chose two.
And one is a mistake.
What of if you are the mistake?
Say that again.
You have powers, Adama. I never denied that. But powers is a mistake. A priestess must carry more than strength. She must possess wisdom, balance, and compassion.
Compassion is a weakness wearing a pleasant face.
No. It is strength. And you must choose not to destroy.
Then I choose to destroy. And when I stand before the gods and they see what I am, they won't choose a girl who grind herbs and whisper to the sick. They will choose the one who speaks and makes the earth tremble.
Madam, I don't agree with you.
I'm Never wrong.
You are wrong.
The gods have chosen
Choosing what?
the next priestess. You.
No. That is not possible, no.
It's done.
But I'm not. I do not have the gift. I can only heal small wounds, stop fever, and help the women in childbirth. That is not the same thing as speaking with the gods.
The gods disagree.
Then there must be a mistake.
There's more.
What more? What more?
They choose someone else too.
Who?
Adamma.
Mbano. Nne, that is not possible. It can never happen.
I'm sorry.
Why her? Anyone but not her.
The gods have spoken.
Then the gods must be cruel.
Don't say that. Not even here. Not even to me.
She will kill me, Nne. And you know she will kill me. You know what she can do.
Then you fight.
I do not know how to fight, Nne.
You learn.
But why me? Why do the gods want to do this to me?
I don't know. But the gods have chosen. And you have to live with it.
Mama, she's not eating.
She will. When she's ready.
Mama, she's terrified. She's shaking, Mama.
Good. Fear makes you careful.
It also kills.
Your sister will not die. Do you understand me? She will not die.
Mama, why are you so confident, Mama? How sure are you?
Because I'll burn down this village to ashes before I'll let Maduka's daughter touch her.
What did Maduka do to you?
That's not what you should ask.
You hate him.
Yes. I hate everything he represents.
Which is?
Everything I've spent my life running from. Go and check on your sister. Make sure she drinks water, at least.
Mama, what happens if the gods really want Adamma?
Then the gods have to go through me first. Please, go and check on your sister. Make sure she drinks water, at least.
You think I will lose?
Who told you that?
You don't need to say it. It is written all over your face.
Whatever is written in my face is not your concern.
For her?
For both.
Liar.
Adama,
You know you have always looked at me like something broken. Something dangerous that could explode if handled wrongly. Now the gods have chosen me. And you sit there, wishing they do choose someone else.
that is not true.
Isn't it? You know I have lived my entire life knowing you were afraid of what I could become. Well, now you are going to see what exactly that is.
And what is it?
Something you have been preventing.
Where is she going this night? Look out on me.
I didn't see you. I know.
You're afraid?
Should I be?
Yes, of course.
The gods chose us both. So we shouldn't be enemies.
We are even enemies even before the gods say the word. Do you know what it feels like to be so powerful and you have no one to test it against? I mean, do you know what it feels like to have this storm burning inside you and you have nowhere to unleash it?
No,
You will know.
I don't want to fight you.
That is why you will lose.
There must be a trial. Obviously, there should be a trial.
But what kind of trial? How can we go for what we have not tested before?
We do not test them. The gods will test them. We will just watch.
Watch. See ya. We'll just watch. Wait, what about if something happened? I mean, what about if one dies?
Then the choice has been made.
When do we go for it?
3 days at the shrine.
3 days? 3 days is not enough for the preparation.
The gods do not need our preparations. Tell the villagers, tell the families, in 3 days, the gods will surely choose who they want.
Sia, please, let us understand ourselves. We are the kingsmaker of this village. We want to know, what about if the gods reject all of them?
Then, Ukamba village will burn. The village we burn. The village we burn. The village we burn. It we burn.
There is no problem. The problem lies in the hands of the gods. The solution equally lies in the hand of the gods. If they want to choose one, good and fine. If they reject anyone, good and fine. We shouldn't put ourselves in the problem of the gods. Let's just see what will happen.
You shouldn't be here, Sia.
The gods sent me.
Tell the gods to mind their business.
You are their business.
What do you want?
I am here to warn you.
I don't need warnings. I need a trial to start so I can finish this.
That confidence will destroy you.
Oh, it will make me untouchable.
Adama, do you think boy is everything? That is only if you are strong enough, fierce enough. Then the gods will have no choice but to choose you.
I don't think. I know it.
Adama, you know nothing.
Careful, old woman.
Adama, the gods do not want a warrior. They only want a bridge. Someone who could stand between their world and ours without burning.
I can't do that.
Can you? Or you want to drag both worlds into darkness? Because I can only see nothing but your own hunger. Adama, you have only 3 days. 3 days to learn who you are.
I already know what I am.
No, you do not know who you are. You only know what you want to be. And these are 3 different things. Adama, atoro mara, ya mara. Ma atoro feke, ye fe ishino ya. Adama, ejiji ntị ike na-eso ozu ala n'ime. Ọ bụchara ka ọ ha m n'ọnụ. Adama, ị mara asụ isu n'ala. Ma ị maghị asụ isụpịasụ ụkwụ gị. Anam.
I was expecting you.
Have you?
Yes. You went to her first. So I assumed you eventually come.
Are you not afraid?
I am terrified.
Then why seem so calm?
Fear and calmness can be in the same body. because they cannot erase each other.
Then the gods have placed a heavy burden on you.
I know.
You could refuse.
Should I?
No,
Then why say it?
I did say it. Just say if you would.
Why did they choose her? Adama is not everything a priestess should be. She is violent. She is arrogant. And she hungers for power. She does not serve the gods. She only wants to stand beside them.
Perhaps that is exactly why they choose her. Light only matters because darkness exists. Do you think the gods only want gentleness? Peace. They want balance. And balance requires both sides of the blade.
Then why did they choose me? I am opposite of Adama. And I am just less.
My child, you are not less. You are different. And difference is what the gods are hungry for. You have 3 days, my child. Use them well.
What should I do?
Stop grinding herbs and sharpen your spirits. I repeat, stop grinding herbs and sharpen your spirits.
You didn't sleep?
No.
Good. Sleep is for people who do not have enemies.
She is not my enemy.
You are a fool to think so. You are a fool to think so. That girl has wanted you dead since the moment she learned your name. Do not pretend this is something it is not.
But the gods chose us both.
The gods chose wrong.
Nne.
You think I don't know who she is? What she's capable of? I have watched this child grow, trying to bend the world to her will, trying to break things she could not. Now the gods want to put her beside you? To test you against her? They might as well have slit your throat themselves.
But what would you have me do, Nne? Run?
Fight!
With what? She commands storms while I grant heaves.
Command something stronger.
There is nothing stronger.
There is always something stronger. Just that you are not desperate enough to find out.
What does that mean? Nne! Nne!
There is nothing stronger than...
There is something, though. It's just that you're not desperate enough to find out.
Nne! Nne! It happened again.
What did you see?
Nne, not what I saw, what I heard. A voice spoke through me. It said things I don't understand.
What things?
2 daughters. 1 womb, 1 mother.
What else?
Blood calls to blood, but silence answers.
No.
Nne, what does that mean?
It means nothing. Just the gods playing tricks.
Nne, the gods don't play tricks on us. They speak the truth, even when we don't listen.
Then stop listening.
Nne, what was that all about?
She's afraid.
Afraid of what?
The truth.
Truth.
You are making a mistake.
How?
That symbol you are proud of, does not matter if the gods reject you.
They won't reject me.
No! The gods rejected you once.
What?
Yes. The god chose 2. If you were enough, the gods would have chosen you.
They're just texting me.
They are showing you what you refuse to see.
Which is?
That all your powers, all your range is nothing but a child's tantrum. Behaving like lightning and wind.
Be careful with your words now.
Or what? You curse me? Or you strike me? Then prove yourself.
I'm not a child.
Then stop behaving like one.
You are going to the shrine?
Yes.
Why?
To pray.
For what? Mercy? Oh, the gods don't deal on mercy.
For clarity.
Clarity? Yeah, it is. You are going to lose. Not because you are weak, though you are, but because you don't want it enough.
Want what?
Power. Victory. To stand before the gods and demand they acknowledge you. Do you know what it feels like to call on the wind and it answers? To speak a name and watch someone fall sick? To know the word bends because you will it too?
No.
You will. Right before the end.
another vision.
Tell me.
I saw you and Adama holding hands at the shrine. And then the ground cracks open and one falls.
Which one?
I can't tell. It was as if something blocked my sight. Immediately it happens. But I saw something else.
What?
Your faces before the ground cracks opens.
What do you mean?
It was like a mirror, like two halves of a thing.
That is not possible.
I'm telling you what I saw.
Then you saw wrong.
When has my vision ever been wrong?
You are praying for me to lose.
No. I am praying for you to survive.
Same thing.
Not the same.
Do you think I'm evil?
You are dangerous.
And if the gods choose me anyway, if they look at this danger, this darkness, and say yes, this is what they want,
then I will accept it.
but you won't like it.
No.
Why did you raise me if you know you're going to fear me?
I did not raise you to be feared. Life did that.
Life or something else?
What do you mean?
Nothing. Just forget I said anything.
I do not know what you want from me. I have never asked for power. And I have never wanted to be more than what I am.
I have wanted this my whole life. Every prayer, every ritual, every moment I have spent learning to bend the world to my will. It was all for this.
But if I have been chosen, I will serve. I will do it with everything it costs.
So don't take it away now. Don't give it to someone who doesn't know what power means.
Just tell me what to do.
Tell me I'm enough.
Tell your daughter to stop meddling into what she doesn't know about.
My daughter is serving people. Yours is trying to kill.
My daughter is exercising her powers.
Adama is a curse-given life, and you know what?
I dare not! Don't you ever refer to Adama as a cursed being. Don't you ever.
Or what? Or you send your monster to me too?
My daughter is not a monster. Yes!
No.
I know from the first time she stepped into my house, you hated her.
Huh? What do you call someone who poisoned villagers for sport?
Oh! She's only exercising her powers.
She's exercising her hell to villagers.
My daughter is not hell. My daughter is not from the pit of hell. My daughter is my daughter. And don't you ever refer my daughter as someone from the pit of hell.
I hate what she represents.
You know nothing about that day.
I know you found something in the forest.
A child.
I know you found something that should have been left there.
A child. I found a child.
She was a mistake.
If Adama was a mistake, what of Adane? We all know how she came into your house. We know everything about her.
Don't you?
Do not do what? Look, both of us are in the same trap.
If you speak more words.
If I speak more words, what are you going to do? Because I'm telling you the truth. Yes, we fall into the same trap. So don't ever mention about my daughter Adama again.
When the gods choose, one of our daughters will die.
I know.
What are you doing about that?
What will I do? I know about it. I am prepared.
You're prepared for this?
Yes!
You are prepared for this?
Yes, I am prepared.
The banished one.
She's not supposed to be here.
Then why is no one stopping her?
Somebody needs to go and tell me.
Yes, you're right.
Bam.
Come, let's go.
See, I don't really understand you again. You were talking of two persons. And I don't know what's happening.
No. You know I cannot say what the gods did not reveal to me. What?
Iwoma, you were banished from this village.
Yes, I was.
The elders declare that you should not come back because your presence will poison this land.
And yet here I stand. And the land hasn't split open to swallow me.
Woman, did the gods send you?
Yes, the gods sent me.
For what purpose?
To watch, to witness, and to see if you have learned anything for the years I've been gone.
To watch, to listen. See, woman, we don't need your watching here.
You need something. Otherwise, the gods wouldn't have chosen to.
How come you know about this?
Because I know all you have forgotten. The balance shouldn't have come by choosing one. It comes by understanding both.
The balance. Understanding. The balance. Understanding. Woman, you speak in riddle.
And you speak in fear. Which one of us is more useful?
Listen, woman. You don't have any authority here. Mind your words.
I don't need authority. I have knowledge.
Oh no! Let her stay.
What?
Oh no. If the gods sent her, who are we to turn her away?
But she was cast out for a reason.
Yes. And the gods have called her back for a reason. Oh no. Do you want to be the one standing against the gods and their will?
If the great seer wants her to stay, then let her stay. But let her not interfere with the trial.
I wouldn't dream of it.
Seer, what's going on? What's going on? This changes everything.
Oh no. No. It reveals everything.
What?
Yes. It reveals everything.
You shouldn't be here. And yet, the elders banished you. You have no right. I have every right. I was born in this village. My blood is in the soil. No elder can erase it. You killed your husband and everyone knows it. My husband died because the gods willed it. And if you think I had that kind of power, then you must be more foolish than you look. The gods does not kill without a reason. No, they don't. Now, tell me something. The two girls the gods have chosen, do you know why? Because they are worthy. Worthy. Interesting word. And you think the gods care about what? Of course they do. No, they don't. They care about truth. And truth is coming soon, whether you are ready for it or not.
She is here. Ioma, the one who was banished. She walks around the community like she owns it.
That's not possible.
Nene, I saw her with my eyes. She's on her way to no results.
And they allow her stay?
Apparently.
Where is she now?
I don't know.
Or someone...
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Just go find your sister. Please make sure she doesn't leave the compound.
Why?
Just do it.
What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here? Why are you coming to the village?
And yet...
Don't you know that if the elders see you, they will react somehow?
They already know. I visited Onowu first.
You're a fool!
Maybe I am.
Yes, you are.
Or maybe I am the only one who knows what is happening.
You know nothing.
Don't I? You look older, Maduka. Worn. Like a man carrying a weight too heavy for his shoulders.
We are all carrying weights.
Yes. But some weights are heavier than others. Where is your daughter? The one chosen by the gods.
So why are you asking? What's your concern?
Everything about this is my concern.
Let me tell you. You are cast out. You have no claim over anything in this place.
I have a claim to the truth.
Which truth are you talking about? You know no truth.
The one you've been hiding for years.
The truth, you don't know anything. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, you do. I'll be right back when your plans crashes with why I am here.
I'll be right back when your plan crashes while I'm here.
Adani, Mama said you should not leave the compound.
Why?
Ioma is here.
Who is Ihoma?
The woman who was banished some years ago before we were conceived. Mama is terrified.
Why is she afraid of woman who was cast out?
No one knows, but I've not seen her like this.
What does she want?
No one knows also, but she's going to the unknowns. And she's walking around as if she's looking for something.
Or someone?
Adani, what
Don't.
Adani, what if she coming back is because you and Adam are choosing as priestesses? What if choosing two isn't random?
Then we will know soon enough.
But you need to be inside.
They are all afraid of you.
Good. Fear makes people honest.
Or makes them dangerous.
That's true.
You're looking for them.
Yes.
And what will you do when you find them?
Watch. Listen. One thing I am certain of is that they cannot get to become priestesses. I won't allow that to happen. You will be the one to be chosen.
And if they don't?
I will take the bull by the horn.
But that will destroy everything.
Everything has been destroyed already. I am only here to sort out the pieces.
What is wrong with you?
She was here.
Who?
The woman I told you about that was banished away from this community.
So, what has that got to do with us?
Everything. Everything.
Explain.
I can't.
You can't or you won't.
But
You are afraid of her?
yes,
Why?
because she knows everything. Everything about us.
Everything about me?
Us, not only you.
Then let her speak. I'm not afraid of the truth.
You should be. Because sometimes truth is better said than lie.
You're going to speak to them.
No, not yet.
When?
When they are ready to hear it.
Will they ever be ready?
No, but I'm going to speak to them anyways.
Where are we going?
Nowhere. We're already here.
I don't understand.
You will. When the time comes, you will. But for now, let's go and settle down in our hut. Yes. This is where I lived before the villagers decided I was poison.
Why are we even back?
You know why?
I don't. Tell me.
The gods owe me. They took everything. My husband, my position, my name. But now, they are going to give me back everything that belongs to me.
Through me?
Yes, through you.
But what if I'm not strong enough?
You are strong. You are my daughter. Strength is all that we've got.
Ayo yo yo yo. Ayo 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 ayo. Una manife neme. Oroboda now. Ayo ayo. Ife dike neme. Una manife neme. Anyamore baga baga no boda anyamore bagede. Okani ife dike neme. Hallelujah. Ife kalele te bakuteluta nte we banaga ayo la 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 eke no fia ngwele no fia onye bu na na-agba orobodo na-agba gala onye ka anyị ga-akọlụ akwa no kata si na mmadụ nwụọ akwa no kata si na mmadụ alarụ.
I'm always angry. But it's more than usual.
They cast me out like garbage. They blamed me for my husband's death. They said the gods rejected me. What do you have me do? Beg them for acceptance? I'll take back all they stole from me through you.
How can you be sure?
Because I will make sure.
Making plans?
Uninvited guests should make her presence known.
I don't do that.
That means you have no manners. Not surprising for someone raised by Madoka.
You know who my father is?
I know everyone in this village. Whether to be known or not. You are the storm child. One who thinks that power equals what?
And you are the banished one. The one who thinks returning makes you relevant.
Careful, girl.
I'm not here to be careful. And who is this?
My daughter. The next priestess.
Excuse me?
You heard me. The gods choose you and the healer girl because they wanted to test something. But when the trials are done, she will stand where I once stood.
Things doesn't work this way.
That's exactly how it works. Or do you think the gods make random choices?
The gods chose me.
The gods choose you because they want to see what you will do with powers you don't deserve.
You have no authority here.
I have more authorities than you will ever understand.
Then let's test it.
Touch my daughter again, and I will show you what real power does when it meets childish tantrum.
You think I'm afraid of you?
You should be. That's what you see when you challenge someone who works with the gods, even before you learn how to crawl. Now get out of my house.
This isn't over yet.
No. It's just started. No, she dare not. She only tries to prove something, but she failed.
Ichie. No. Sia.
No.
You are welcome. I invited you here so that we deliberate on the happenings of this kingdom.
Thank you, no. No, I learned that Ihoma has declared that her daughter will be the priestess.
So I heard also.
But she's overstepping. The gods has chosen 2 million, not 3.
I know. What baffles me most is that she has forgotten that she was banished. Yet, she dare makes a claim. What right has she? What right has she even to stay among us? But here she is.
Then no, send her away again.
Each year you don't understand something. Each year, I can't send her away now. Since she came back by the mandate of the gods, as was claimed by the seer, she has not done anything wrong against the law of the land. So there is no point in sending her away. She is just living as an existing being.
No, her existence is disruption to the community.
Perhaps destruction is what the gods want.
What are you telling us, Sia? Destruction is what the gods want. How do you mean?
The gods choose the 2 maidens, both unusual, both powerful in their different ways. Then, a third one came with her own claims. This isn't chaos. This is design.
You hear this one again. It's design. See, I'm sure you are telling us the truth. What sort of design is this? You are putting us into confusion. What is design?
Oh no. I do not know. But what I do know is that the trial will reveal more on who will be the priestess. And it will reveal the truth we have buried.
What truth?
The truth that will change everything.
In such case, what do we have to do? Nothing but to get prepared for the trial. Tomorrow marks the beginning of the first trial. So I think all three maidens should go for it if they choose to.
You are not welcome.
I am not welcomed anywhere, but I'm here anyways.
Say whatever thing you want to say and leave.
Tell your daughter to withdraw from the trials.
Excuse me?
You heard me. Tell her to step aside.
And why should I do that?
Because she will get hurt. Adamba is dangerous. My daughter is powerful. Adanda is soft. But she will be broken.
My daughter is stronger than you know.
Strong enough to face someone who commands storms? Strong enough to stand against my daughter Olama, who was trained since she was birthed for this.
The gods chose her, you know?
The gods makes mistakes.
Careful, woman. That sounds like blasphemy.
You can call it whatever you want, but I'm only trying to save her life.
Why would you care about saving anyone's life?
I don't. I'm only trying to prevent unnecessary bloodshed.
My daughter does not need your protection. She doesn't need your pity.
Then she needs preparation. Because what is coming will destroy her.
What is coming?
Truth. The one that burns even anything it touches.
What do you know about truth?
Tell her to withdraw before it is too late.
Get out of my hut.
Your loss.
I know you'll be here.
Then you know why.
Yes. You want me to pull down my daughter for the trials?
Yes.
And why will I do that?
Because your daughter is a weapon without a handle. She will destroy everyone, including herself.
I've tried to help out my daughter, but she refused.
Then make her listen, or watch her destroy everything.
What about your daughter? You are just guiding her, pushing her hard.
My daughter was born for this. Yours was born for chaos.
And do you know? Do you know how my daughter was born?
Neither do you.
You woman, tell me, why are you here?
To reclaim all that was stolen from me.
What if the three of them were destroyed in the process?
Everything has been destroyed already. I'm only here to make sure that my daughter survives.
And if I fail you, that the three of them survives?
Then the gods never wanted a priestess. They only wanted reckoning. We need to talk.
I don't have anything to say.
Then listen.
Why should I listen to a woman who was rejected by the girls?
The girls didn't reject me. The villagers did. There is a difference.
Is there? Because where I stand, you were cast out for a reason.
And from where I stand, you are walking towards death, calling it destiny.
That is not my concern.
And that is when your death interferes with my plans.
Your plans?
My daughter will become priestess. Not you. Not a Madoka storm child. But mine.
The gods didn't choose your daughter.
The gods didn't know what they are doing. They choose two people who tear each other apart. They don't know that my daughter is the answer they needed.
Why do you speak of the gods like they were children who need correction?
And you speak of them like they are infallible. We are both wrong.
You were once priestess. You walk between this world and theirs. You carry their word in your mouth and their will in your hands. And that is the reason they cast you down. Not because the villager turned on you, but because you forgot what you were meant to do.
You know nothing about what happened.
I know pride. I know ambition. And I know the difference between serving the gods and using them. If you think your daughter deserves this because you deserve it, just know that the gods don't care about who deserve it, but about who become. And you became something they couldn't use.
Careful, Maiden!
I am done being careful. If you want your daughter to end it, she should face the trial. Prove that she can do it. Not because of you, not because of the gods, but because she is worthy. And don't come to me asking me to step aside. Because the gods didn't choose me because I am gentle. They chose me because I can endure. And I'll endure you, endure your daughter, and endure Adama's range. And everything you all will put on me.
Then you will die!
And I will die standing. Can your daughter say the same?
Nne, what happened? Why is your face like this?
That healer girl has more spine than I thought.
What did she say?
She said things that I didn't want to hear.
Nne.
Neither of them will withdraw. That means you have to fight them both.
I can do that.
Can you?
Yes. You trained me for this.
I trained you for rituals. For ceremonies. I didn't train you for war.
So what do we do?
I'll make sure the trials favor you by every means necessary. The gods have called you. Three who seek position of the priestess. Today begins the first trial.
3. Thought we are 2. Everything is changing.
The trial of the spirits. Each and every one of you will enter the sacred grove alone. What you face there will be between you and the gods.
What is inside the groove?
Your truth.
Whether you survive is up to you.
And what if we do not survive?
Then the gods have made their choice.
When do we begin?
Now. Now go. Go! I said go! Go! Okay, Sylvia.
Only one of us will come back. Or the three of us.
Or none.
Let the strongest survive.
And let the truest survive.
Let the chosen survive.
You all survive. Now tell me, what do you face?
Everything I have tried to deny.
Adamma.
Death. But I made it new.
Olama.
Nothing. But everything.
Then you are all worthy. The second trial required all three of you together. Together? That's not how trials work. Careful, woman. This is how this trial works. The gods chose 2, not 3. The gods choose who they want to choose. And now, the 3 of them must work together.
What kind of trial requires enemies working together?
The kind that reveal who will lead. A priestess must balance all 3 forces. Light, shadow, and space between. If they cannot work together, none of them can serve.
Sia, when is the second trial?
Tomorrow, at the village boundary, they will face it together as one, or the 3 of you will lose.
Together. They want you to work together with that girl.
With both girls?
Olama is worse than Adamma. At least Adamma was raised here. That girl is carrying Ihuama's poison.
She survived the grove, same as we did.
So? Surviving doesn't make her worthy.
But the gods think it does.
The gods are playing games with you. Can't you see? They are putting you in impossible position to see how long before you break.
Then I won't break.
You can't trust those girls.
I don't have to trust them. I just have to work with them.
And when it's time for the final choice, when the gods demand 1 priestess, not 3, what then?
Then we'll face it when it comes.
You are being naive.
And you are being afraid, Nne.
Yes, I have every right to be afraid. That woman destroyed lives before she was banished. And now she brought her daughter as a weapon. You think oppression will save you?
Then fighting was what got her banished at the first place. Maybe that is a lesson.
Or maybe power was given to a wrong person. Promise me you'll be very careful. Promise me you won't let your guard down.
I promise.
To get out of all the things the gods could demand.
It changes nothing.
It changes everything. Because you cannot withstand them. Even if you are supposed to follow along with them.
And who says I can't do both?
Because the moment you betray them, the gods will reject you.
Then I will play along until the final trial. Then I'll show them what real power looks like.
Adamma, you don't understand what you are up against.
I understand perfectly. The two other girls who think they deserve what's mine.
Ihuoma's daughter is one of them.
So?
Because Ihuoma was the most dangerous and the most powerful priestess that have come out of this village before she was corrupted, before she fell. Whatever she teaches her daughter is dangerous.
I'm dangerous too.
You are not, my daughter. You are not dangerous. Adamma, you spent your life learning how to destroy. Ihuoma spent her life learning how to manipulate reality, fabric reality.
Then I will learn fast.
Or you die trying.
Better than living with nothing.
Nne, you are angry again. I'm furious. Together they want you to work with those girls. As if you are equals. As if they have the right to stand beside you. But the seer said... I don't care what the seer said. The seer is a coward who bends to whatever the wind blows strongest. No vision. No courage. But what if the gods demand sex? The gods demand what will make them demand. They respond to will, power, and conviction. Show weakness, and they will exploit it. Do not show weakness. You work with them, yes, but you will dominate. You make them feel and know that without you, they fail. But what if I can't? Then, all I have sacrificed, my position, my dignity, my life in this village, all means nothing. And I won't take that. What if they are stronger than you think? Then, you become stronger than they can imagine. I didn't crawl here to watch you lose to that healer and the stomp girl. You will win by every means necessary.
We need to talk.
I have nothing to say to you.
Then listen. We have to work together for the second trial.
I'm aware.
I don't like it.
Neither do I.
I like something else even less.
What?
Ihuoma.
What about her?
She's using her daughter. Pushing her forward because the girl doesn't deserve it. But because she wants to get her powers back.
And?
And that makes it even worse than anything I've ever done. At least I hurt people. But then it's honest. She's twisting everything. The trials, the girls, the daughter, just to reclaim what she have lost.
And why are you telling me this?
Because for the second trial to work, we can't let Olama control it. We can't let Ihoma manipulate the outcome. So what do you want? I want a choice. Temporary. Just long enough to make sure that girl doesn't win through her mother's schemes.
Do you want to work with me?
If that will make me have control over it, then yes.
Should I trust you?
You shouldn't. But you should trust that I want to win fairly. Not because someone's mother pulled strings.
And after the second trial?
After, we go back to being enemies. But at least we will know the final choices between us. Not between us and someone who cheated.
What if you betray me?
I won't. Not until after. You have my word.
Your word means nothing to me.
Then you have my strength, which means everything.
Tomorrow we will work together and we will stop her. And after, we will settle things between us.
The trial of unity. In the boundary between the two kingdoms, there lies a stone, sacred, heavy, blessed by all priestesses that have come before. The three of you must retrieve it together and bring it to the altar.
Together, how?
That is left for you to decide. But know this, if even one of you let go, the three of you will be dragged under.
How heavy is the stone?
Not heavy, but heavy. Now, you must go. Go!
Great seer, you have done well. This is our tradition.
Look at them working together, but miles apart.
Will they survive this one too?
I don't know, but something feels different about today.
Yes.
Yes. Should I go good?
The stone will be in the center. How did you know?
Because that's what my mother would do. So I'm not intelligent.
Then we should work together. Same pace, same direction.
Thank you. Don't thank me yet. Let's keep going.
Then we should all search together.
Welcome. You all survived the second trial together.
What is the third trial?
Truth. The hardest part of it.
When?
In 3 days. Right here. The same time. You will face the hardest part of the trial. But this time, there will be no unity. Only revelation.
It was enough.
Enough for you, maybe. But I barely strained myself.
Is that why you almost drowned when your hand slipped?
I didn't almost get drowned. I was just testing the water.
You were panicking.
You don't know anything about me.
We know enough.
And what's that supposed to mean?
It means we know what you are. You are your mother's puppet. That's it, to have commands. Pretending you want this, when you are really doing this, just not to disappoint her.
You have no right.
We have every right. We earned our place here. You were just dragged in by a woman who can't let go of her past.
My mother was the strongest priestess this village ever had.
It was in the past, and that is why she's using you to claim glory that is no longer hers.
The gods will choose me.
The gods only choose the strongest. And right now, you are not the one.
Then let's see who is the strongest.
You are afraid. You are always afraid. Not of us, but of her. And of what will happen if you fail her. Go back to her. Tell her she wants to beat us. She should do it herself. Because you are not enough.
Because you are not strong enough.
That was brutal.
It was necessary.
I think she will tell you, Mama.
Definitely.
Good. Then I'll wait for her. I can't wait for the real fight.
What happened to you?
They attacked me.
Who?
Adamma and Adanne. Together they ambushed me on the road.
What did you just say?
They were waiting for me. They said I was weak. That I was nothing but your puppet. And then they attacked me together. And I couldn't defend myself.
Show me where you are hurt.
It's not the body that they hurt. It's the...
Show me! They think they can hurt my daughter. They think because they passed through trials, they are untouchable.
What are you going to do?
Exactly what I should have done the moment they disrespected us. Follow me. We are going to teach them what happens when they touch a priestess daughter.
But you are not priestess anymore.
I am, in every way that matters, and they are about to learn that. This doesn't concern you.
Concern me when you accuse us of something we didn't do.
You attacked my daughter.
Your daughter attacked us and we defended ourselves from her.
Lies!
Your daughter approached us first. She challenged us and she tried to prove to us that she is stronger. What did we do? We showed her the holy truth. That's not what happened. We didn't ambush her. We defended ourselves. And that is a difference.
Even if that's true, which I don't believe, you have no right to harm her.
And she has no right to challenge us. And we have every right to show her what happened when pride exceeds ability.
You speak of pride. You both. Children that think that two trials makes them worthy.
We do not think we are worthy. We are because we earn it. Without our mother pulling strings. Without manipulation. And without using the gods as tools for revenge.
Watch your mouth!
Or what? Or you strike me. Go on! Let everybody watch and see who you are. Not a priestess. Not a guide. Just a woman who can't just accept that her time is over.
My time is not over!
Yes, it is. And the sooner you accept that, the sooner your daughter becomes what she is than being what you are forcing her to be. Are you finished here?
I think so.
Good. We should prepare for tomorrow. Your daughter survived the trial because she's strong, not because of you. Let her try that herself instead of fighting her battles.
Nay, you will break this pistol.
Good. Then I'll get another one.
Nay, what is wrong?
Everything. is wrong. Adana is working with that girl. That storm child who's tried to destroy her since this started.
They had to work together for the trials.
And now they are bonding. I saw them working together. Looking as if they are friends.
Maybe that's what the gods want.
The gods want chaos. That's what they want. First, they choose to. Secondly, they allow Ihoma return. Now, they force them all to work together. You know what? Now they'll make my daughter believe that she can trust someone who spent months in destroying her.
Adana is not stupid.
No, she's hopeful. And that's worst.
Why?
It's because hope makes you careless. Hope makes you believe things can change when they cannot. Hope gets you killed.
Calm down, calm down.
The third trial is coming. And when it does, everything will fall apart. I want Adane to be ready for this.
What if she's ready?
She's not. Because I saw it in her eyes. Yes. And she's starting to believe there is another way.
Maybe there is.
Don't start too.
I'm just saying, the visions I've had, I don't see any negativity. I just see both of them connecting.
Your visions are riddles.
Well, they are not wrong.
Great seer. You really assured me that during the third trial, the truth will be revealed.
Yes.
What truth?
The truth we all have been hiding from.
I've told you I'm just a mere mortal. You always speak in riddle. Can you be plain for once?
Oh no. The three maidens, they are not random choices. The gods do not work that way.
What are you saying? I mean, how do you mean?
I mean, there is a connection we haven't seen, or we do not want to see.
You mean between Adane and Adama?
Between the three maidens.
That's impossible. Adane is a daughter of a god. Adama is that of Maduka. And Olamma is Ihoma's daughter. These are three different families. I hope you are not trying to suggest what my mind is telling me.
I am not suggesting anything. Oh no. When the third trial comes, the truth will surface, whether we are ready or not.
And if we are not ready,
then we burn.
What?
We all burn!
Hey! You can't tell me what I'm doing. Duty of the cross.
Adama, there was something at the center earlier.
Yes. Ihoma and her daughter came. They made accusations.
Was it true?
Partly. The daughter challenged us and we responded.
Did you say us?
Adanne and me.
You mean you and Adanne are now partners?
Temporary.
Temporary. But now that you and Adanne are now partners temporarily, can it work?
Because Ihoma is worse than Adanne. At least with Adanne I know where I stand. But with Ihoma, everything is manipulation and schemes.
And you think teaming up with your enemy is the answer?
She's not my enemy. Not anymore. Not really.
Then who is she to you?
She's somebody who understands what it means to fight for something. We are different, yes. But then, we want the same thing. And to win it fairly. Not through someone else's imagination.
What if after the third trial, can you face each other?
We will fight.
You have changed.
I'm learning there is a difference.
I think I am proud of you now.
Ihoma will do something before the third trial. I know. She won't let this go. We humiliated her daughter. We defended ourselves. Same thing to her. And why did you speak up for me back then at the compound?
Because you were saying the truth, and I am tired of lies.
You would have allowed Ihoma to attack me. You would have allowed us to destroy each other.
Yes.
Why didn't you?
Because I know what she wanted. And I do not give people what they want because they are convenient.
You are stronger than I thought.
So you are.
How?
I expected range and chaos. But you underneath understand. You only wanted to be seen.
Don't psychoanalyze me.
I am not. I'm only saying I understand.
Understand what?
How it feels like to be powerful and not visible.
The third trial will change everything.
I know.
And we both will not be there to protect each other.
I am not asking to.
Because I want.
Neither will I.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
They think they can embarrass us, humiliate us, and make us feel weak.
Maybe we should...
What? Give up? Accept it?
No. Maybe we should focus more on the trials instead of...
The trial is tomorrow. Today, we'll make sure they see what happens when they cross us.
How?
I will make them understand that I was the most powerful priestess this village ever had, and why you should be the next.
What are you planning?
Truth. In its purest form.
Tomorrow, the gods will speak. And what they say will change everything you think you know.
About the trial.
No, about yourself.
What do you mean?
It means some secrets we are buried so deep. Even the people hiding them does not know they are there. But the curse does not forget.
Do you mean we are connected somehow?
I am saying that tomorrow you will understand the reason all of you we are choosing. And when you do, it will break you before it heals you. The third trial of the blood. Today, the gods requires the truth. Not the truth you tell yourselves. Not the truth you have been told. But the truth written in your own very bones. You will each place your hands in the water. The water will speak. What it reveals cannot be undone. What it shows cannot be hidden.
What will it reveal?
Your bloodline, your true origin. The gods will trace your thread of existence from the moment you entered this world. Now, who will go first?
I will.
Come. Place your hand in the water. Olama, daughter of Ihoma and Chidi, the Pawantapa, born in the land beyond the great forests, raised in exile, blood speaks true. Who will be the next?
My God. I cannot leave this baby here to die.
Adanne, found by a goat in the forest boundary years ago, the daughter of The water did not reveal the mother's face. Only that she lived. Only that she left you there deliberately, wrapped in clothes, hoping that someone will find you. I searched for hours. I called out, but there was nothing. I thought I could see any sign of who left you. But there was nothing. I thought your mother had died in childbirth. Maybe somewhere nearby. I couldn't have left you to die. Next person. He thought she was dead. The woman. My mother. He thought she was dead.
Yes. I saw you in the bush, crying. Instead of leaving you there to be an orphan, I decided to take you home. There was nobody around there in the bush. It was really you I saw in the bush crying. That was how it happened.
The water shows more. The woman lived. She searched everywhere for her child, but she found nothing. Believing that the child had died or had been taken by an animal. It shows a woman's face. No! No! Ihuama, the water does not lie. Now come forward! Come, Ihuama! New, place your hands in the water. I don't understand. I never. Come forward, New. Place your hand in the water. I couldn't tell. We must know the whole truth today. I don't understand. New. Ihuama, I never. New. I couldn't tell. My daughter is... So your mother alive. I thought I killed you. For years, I've carried this weight in my heart.
thought leaving you in the forest will make me a monster. But I believe in my heart that you'll find someone that will take care of you. And today, my dreams has come to pass. My daughters, I'm sorry. Mama, you were once a priestess before you were cast out. You carried their voice. You walked between the walls. Ihoma, you will be priestess again, not to reclaim powers, but to guide and to heal what was broken. So shall it be.